So this is so that you can run our pressure washer forever. This is coming out of the relief valve, and we're going to put this right into the tank. Yeah, that's fine there. And so make sure you're on drill and not not drill. There you go. All right, and then we actually got this bulkhead fitting that we're going to use. This bulkhead fitting that's going to go down in there, and then we'll run a short hose up into there, and that will help where we can run our pump for a long time and not ever have to worry about it, because it's going to pull water out of our tank and dump it in there. If you don't have this system, it has just a little line that comes in and back down, and that will cause your pressure washer to overheat. And we don't want our pressure washer to overheat. And so this is how we can do a bypass hose. And so the pressure wash bypass hose is going into the tank. So then as it goes down in here, it can do this. Remember, when you're working with these bulkheads right here, usually they are opposite threads on here. So that's, you can either take this up in this way. I usually generally like to go that way, just so that way it keeps everything down there on there. Are you going to be able to reach that there?
Yeah. Gasket on top?
Yeah, you can do the gasket on top, fine. So again, see if he can reach it, and hopefully don't drop it, or then we gotta figure out how to get out of the tank. So that's how we will do the bypass hose. It's, there is no water going to be in here, so you really don't even have to do the blue goo at the top here, unless you might think that it might be overflowing. But that's how we can do this here. So that is how you do there.